Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like Me. This is Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to open a package in front of you. If you are curious or interested of what's inside this package, then please keep on watching. If you're going to ask me what is my most favorite jewelry, I would say it's my wedding ring. I love it so much that I wear it all the time wherever I go. A few weeks ago, I was just randomly, I was looking at my hand and I felt that my wedding ring is a little bit, tight. I am gaining weight because of my pregnancy, and then I realized that few weeks or few months from now, I'm gonna have to say bye-bye to this jewelry and I have to keep it for a while. A few days after that sad realization, a company actually contacted me and they said, are you interested in making a product review of our jewelry? And I was like, as long as I am able to express my genuine thoughts or feedbacks about the jewelry that you will send me, then I'm gonna go for it. So they said yes, and I was super happy. I checked the website. They have rings, they have wedding bands, they have necklaces, earrings, they have those kind of stuff, but I already know what I want to get. I want to get a wedding ring. The wedding ring that I have right now is from Neil Lane. This one is just enough for my ring finger. As you can see, I'm so petite. The size of this one is just enough for me. I don't even have a room to gain the weight and still wear this jewelry. So timely that they contacted me. This is size 5 and I'm thinking of getting a size 5.5. Size 5.5 does fit on my ring finger and in my middle finger, so that's basically perfect for me. The girl who contacted me, we communicated for a while about the ring that I want and the size, my address, the whole 9 yards. So she also notified me that the product will arrive 2 weeks. But today I was kind of surprised to receive this package. It came in a little bit earlier than what I've expected. My husband was the one who signed this package. It came through FedEx, as you can see. It came in like this. The name of the company is Tinnivi. This is what the box looks like. Is this the part of the box? Oh no, it's not. You can just throw this away. So this is the box. There you go. It has this 2 compartments or mini drawers in here. I think this is my ring. The box itself is super sturdy. You see from the way it sounds. This is the ring, if I'm not mistaken. Take out the box. Oh my god. In here, okay, if you want to give this to someone, they have the bag right here. Let's see. If you open it up, if you want to order from them, you're also provided with the silver polishing cloth, which looks like this. We also have the card, care for sterling silver. When I looked at their website, I obviously know that they offer sterling silver. It says, sterling silver is a precious metal and may require cleaning from time to time, which that's the reason why they gave you that cloth. This cloth made with anti-tarnish agent, which we all know sterling silver, when exposed to air and moisture, does tend to tarnish. Because using a small amount of silver polish on a soft cloth, rub the piece of silver several times. This will remove the tarnish and dullness, keeping your sterling gift like new. From the looks of it, it doesn't look cheap at all. I'm super surprised. Let's go on their website and see how much is this ring again. Let's go to tinnivi.com. This ring is called Oval Cut Gemstone 925 sterling silver engagement ring. The retail price of this ring is $287.58. But wait, for Mother's Day deal, it's only 83.16. Woo! I'm having a hard time taking off my ring. Put on. Oh my god, I love it so much. Not only was I having a hard time taking off my Neil Lane wedding ring, I also realized that while I was editing this video, I was also having a hard time catching my breath. I am truly sorry. So to compensate that, here is an up-close clip of the Tinnivi ring. I want you to see how stunning it is. It is super shiny. It really looks expensive and a sure stunner. Again, if you are interested in the specific ring, this is the oval cut gemstone 925 sterling silver engagement ring. Retail price is $287.58, but right now when I check their website, they have their sale going on. You can get it for $83.16. I really tried to get an up-close video of the ring so that you can see the design, the cut, curves, the look of the white sapphire stone that they used. It is really a beautiful silver jewelry. As I've said a while ago, over time this will tarnish, but there are absolutely ways to take care of this jewelry, such as using the cloth that they provided for you to clean the ring. Keep the box. That is the best way to avoid scratches, and also don't wear it when you're just at home, especially when you're taking a bath or cleaning, because you will expose the ring to cleaning chemicals and obviously it will have a reaction. On the next clip, I am showing you here how the Tinnivi ring looks right next to my Neil Lane ring. The specific ring that I have is the 1-carat diamond frame twist shank engagement ring in 14K white gold, and the band is, I think, 1/5 carat diamond vintage style contour wedding band in also 14K white gold. That is my Neil Lane wedding ring. From the look of it, personally, they both look expensive. I did want to show you both of these rings so that you will have an idea of what Tinnivi ring looks like. Let me know in the comment section below on what your thoughts about the Tinnivi ring. If you want to know any updates about this ring, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's also Ladylike May. Or you can also come back on this video like a few weeks or a few months from now. I will update the description box. I will write my final thoughts about the jewelry itself. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.